the first stroke of time. The majesty and power of God so thrills this heart of mine. My soul stands in wonder, my spirit fills with praise to the mighty God whose hand hath guided all our ways. He is God, the ransom supreme, and earth was destroyed, his word hath been tried by fire and sea and sword, that all may know he is the Lord, he is God, who stands alone, his mighty rod, his royal throne, and everlasting he shall be. For he is God eternally. We will shout across the heavens, we will challenge earth below.